We are supposed to print the Fibonacci series till the number that is entered by the user. Firstly, Fibonacci series is nothing. It is the sum of two numbers, two consecutive numbers. So if my first number is 0 and my second number is 1, so my third number is going to be 0 plus 1, 1. Now my second is 1, third is 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. So I'm going to get this value. So to understand this logic, we first give integers some values, some variables. Firstly, we have limit that we're going to take from the user till when you want it to be printed. Then we're going to take I, because we will be using for loop for this program. Then I'm going to take my int A. Int A will be my 0. This is my first term. B will be my 1. So we are taking the first and the second term by ourselves to make the code easier for us. Then I'm going to take my C. C is the value where I am doing the sum to make my logic work effectively. Now we are going to printf enter your limit. Okay, so we are going to enter the limit. The user will be entering the limit. Now we're going to say that scanf %d comma and limit. Now the value is placed. Now we are going to take a for loop. So I'm going to say firstly printf. Let's make it look a bit nice. Printf Fibonacci series and /n for the new line. Okay, so now we're going to start with our for loop. In my for loop, I'm going to say for I is equals to 0, I is starting with 0, except semicolon, I should be less than equals to the value of my limit, and I should increase by 1. The increment in I should be by 1. So now I'll say print f %d comma my a. Now we are going to take the values. We are going to show the calculations. Okay, the calculation is going to go like my C becomes my A plus B, my A becomes my B, and my B becomes my C. So this is a loop that we are using. How? So firstly A is 1, A is 0, B is 1. So C is going to be 0 plus 1, 1. So A becomes B, that means a B becomes 1 and a B becomes 1 again, because C is, the sum of C is 1. So now our A is going to be printed, A became B. So second value is going to be 1. Now my B was C, that means my B was 1. Again my C becomes A plus B. So now I'll have my value is 2. So this is how we're going to get our printed values. Okay, now let us just get out of this loop and let's say, okay, we can do it here actually. Let us just do it here. New line. Let's see. Let's run let's run it. Okay, we forgot the terminator, that is in 12th line. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, enter your limit. Let me see, my limit is 7. 7. Okay, so this is what my Fibonacci series are. So that's it.